Hi, thank you for watching. Do you really want to improve your English pronunciation? If you say yes, then this is a great program for you. I'm John Bryden, a poet and English teacher living in China. I know about the particular problems that Chinese students face in learning the sounds of English. Today I want to help you with some small sound differences that make a big difference in meaning. For example, sit, seat, cat, cart, rise, rice. These are examples of sound differences that can be difficult for Chinese students of English to get. You need to practice them to get them right. To help you practice, I've written a poem called Crazy Cat. Repeat it often to improve your skills. It contains a lot of important English sounds. You need to learn to recognize them when you hear them and use them when you speak.
Crazy cat. Beth Pete's farm cat. Fed fat barn rats. Could not quit meat. Would not eat sweets. Thought cod odd fodder. Punched up full mugs. Snapped at full fools. Fought off pot shotters. Made men get mad. Bred mayhem, man. What that cat pulled, got Beth Pete billed. Was told, pay costs. Hated that big debt. Swallowed that sour pill. Sought 10 vets' views. All gave bad news. Cat needs brain op. Then, teary face wet, set out by van. Cat closed in small bin. No fan of this thing. Just bucking like sin. In that thin tin bin. Jumped out of its skin. Screaming loud all day. Don't close me in. They know not right. Let me see light. Loath to oppose. Those heart-rending pleas. Beth freed her cat. Ignored that advice which vets had advised. Now what a surprise! The cat just likes rice, spooned out on its plate. Plays nice with fools. Thinks things spool round. In the farm barn, just fine.
That's all for now. I suggest that every day for at least 1 month you should recite Crazy Cat. This will train your mouth to pronounce a full range of English sounds and train your ears to hear them. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the program. See you next time.